Hi guys, welcome to my channel Resurrection Studies. Today I am going to explore the brief knowledge of the national insignias of the Republic of India. Yeah, let's explore that. National emblem. The sun of land at the capital of Ashoka, the emperor, was adopted as the state emblem of India on January 26, 1950, the day when India became a republic. In the original Sarnath capital, there are four lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a priest carrying a sculpture in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion separated by intervening wheels called chakras over a bell-shaped lotus. Carved out of a single block of polished sandstone, the capital is crowned by Dharma Chakra, the wheel of the law. In the state emblem, adopted by the government, only three lines are visible, whereas the fourth is hidden from the view. The wheel appears in the relief in the center of the abacus with a bull on the right and a horse on the left, and the bell-shaped lotus has been omitted. The words Satyameva Jayate from the Mundaka Upanishad, meaning triumphs, is inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script. It is also the national motto. It is preserved in the Sarnath Museum. Now we see the next one, the national flag. India's national flag is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron called Kesari. The top represents courage and sacrifice. White in the middle represents peace and trust, and dark green at the bottom represents faith and chivalry. The ratio of the width of the flag to its length is 2:3. In the center of white band is a wheel in navy blue. Its design is that of the wheel called chakra, with 24 spokes on the abacus of the Sarnath land, capital of Ashoka. Its diameter is equal to the width of the white band. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Its use and display are guided by a code. The Flag Code of India 2002 took effect from January 26, 2002 and superseded the Flag Code India as it existed. According to the provisions of the Flag Code of India 2002, there are no restrictions for displaying the national flag by members of general public, private organizations, educational institutions. However, Prevention of Improper Act 1950, the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, and a few other laws enacted on the subject are guidelines for using the flag with dignity and pride. Now we look at next one, National Anthem. Gan Man is the national anthem of India. It was composed in Bengali by poet Rabindranath Tagore. The first stanza of the song, Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India on 24th January 1950. A formal rendition takes approximately 52 seconds and shorter one is 20 seconds. In the certain version of the national anthem, there is only first and last lines are used. It was first publicly sung on 27 December 1911 at the Kolkata, now known as Kolkata session of Indian National Congress, and again in January 1912 at the annual event of Adil Brahmo Samaj. It was largely unknown except to the Adil Brahmo Samaj journal Tattvabodhani Patrika, of which Tagore was editor. The composition was first sung during the convocation, and the agenda of the day denoted itself to a loyal welcome of George V on his visit to India. Now we see the next one. National song. The national song of India is Vande Mataram, composed by Bankin Chandra Chatterjee in 1870s, which included in his 1881 novel Anandama. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. The poem was composed into song by Rabindranath Tagore, and its music was given by Jadunath Bhattacharya. And the duration of national song is 1 minute 5 seconds. The first political occasion when it was sung was the 1896 session of Indian National Congress. The first two words of the song was adopted as the national song of India in October 1937 by Congress Working Committee after the colonial rule in August 1947. Vande Mataram means "I pray to the mother," is an ode to Durga as the mother goddess. It was originally written in Bengali script in the novel Anandam. The regular programs of Akashvani and Doordarshan begins with the national songs. And its English translation of the stanza rendered by Sri Aurobindo in Sri Aurobindo Birth Sanitary Library, Popular Edition 1972, Volume 8. Now we see the next one. National currency. The symbol is a combination of both the Devanagari letter and Roman letter R, which is stripe cutting out the middle to represent the Tricolour. Despite those, it also depicts on equalities and symbolizes the nation's desire to reduce economic disparity. The very first series of coins with the new rupee series symbol started in circulation on 8th of July 2011, and this new rupee signal was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam of Kallakurichi from Tamil Nadu state, and he was selected from top 5. Now see the next one. National flower. Lotus. Nilambo Nucifera garden is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower and occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India, and has an auspicious symbol of Indian culture. It is rich in flora. Currently available data place India is the 10th position in the world and 4th in the Asia in plant diversity. From about 70% geographical areas surveyed so far, 47,000 species of plants have been described by the Botanical Survey of India. Now we see the next one. National river. The Ganga or Ganges is the longest river in India, flowing over 2,510 kilometers of mountains, valleys and plains. It originates in the snowfields of the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River. It is later joined by other rivers such as the Alagananda, Yamuna, Son, Gomti, Kosi and Ghagra. The Ganga River basin is one of the most fertile and densely populated areas of the world and covers an area of 1 lakh square kilometers. The Ganga is revered in Hinduism as the most sacred river. Now we see the next one. National tree. The Indian fig tree, Ficus bengalensis, has branches that root themselves like new trees over a large area due to the characteristic of spreading the whole area with its roots, expanding trunk and its longevity. This tree is considered immortal and is an integral part of the myths and legends in India. Even today, the banyan tree is the focal point of village life. The village council meets under the shade of this tree. Now we see the next one. national animal, tiger. The combination of grace, strength, agility and enormous power has earned the tiger Panthera tigris its pride of place as the national animal of India. Out of 8 existing species, the Royal Bengal tiger is rare. To protect the most dwindling population of tigers in India, Project Tiger was launched in April 1973. Now we see the next one. National fruit, mango. Mangifera indica, the mango tree, is one of the most important and widely cultivated fruit tree in the tropical world. Its juicy fruit is a rich source of vitamin A, C and D. In India, there are over 100 varieties of mangoes in different sizes, shapes and colors. Now see the next one. National bird, peacock. The Indian peacock of status, the national bird of India, has beautiful velvet feathers and a slender neck. The male is more colorful than the female, with glittering blue breast and neck and a spectacular bronze green tail of around 200 elongated feathers. The female is brownish and slightly smaller than the male and lacks tail. The tones of the male fining out the tail and preening its feather is a gorgeous sight. Now we see the next one. National heritage animal, elephant. In order to increase the population of Asiatic elephants, the largest mammal species on land, the Ministry of Environment has declared it the national heritage animal. Around 60% of live in India. Now we see the next one. Standard time, Indian Standard Time, IST. India has only one standard time. India is 5.5 hours ahead of GMT or UTC. It's Greenwich Mean Times. 4.5 hours behind Australian Standard Time and 10.5 hours ahead of American Eastern Standard Time. Now we see next one. In National Monument, India Gate. India Gate, one of the largest war memorials situated in the heart of New Delhi, is the National Monument of India. It was erected in memory of 90,000 soldiers who lost their lives fighting in the World War I and Afghan War of the British Army. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Earlier it was called All India War Memorial. Now we see the next one. National calendar, September. At the time of independence, the government of India followed the Gregorian calendar based on the Christian era. The national government adopted the recommendation of the Calendar Reform Committee that this era be adopted as the basis of the national calendar. The Saka year has the normal 65 days and begins with the Chaitra as its first month. The days of the Saka calendar have a permanent correspondence with the dates of the Gregorian calendar. Chaitra first falling on March 22nd in a normal year and on March 21st in a leap year. The national calendar commenced on Chaitra 1st Saka 1879 corresponding to March 22nd 1957-80. The month of the national calendar with their days and the dates of the Gregorian calendar corresponding to the first day of the Saka month are mentioned in the list. Thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, please hit like, share, and if you have still not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you could get the notification of upcoming videos. And if you have any suggestion, please tell me in the comment section, and do not forget to give your opinions on available videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.